The worst thing is going on a team building exercise. So you go to a luxury game farm, take the team for a weekend, come up with a lovely mission statement, and they go, okay, done and dusted, that's our new trajectory. So what do you say to companies then that say, we'll workshop it, and then we'll get those results, rather than a futurist investment?
Well, exactly what you say. That's a one-time engagement. It's fun. Everyone's eyes are open. Everyone's either frightened or excited, which is generally the general impression that we tend to leave rooms with. But then it becomes, so what? That's the question that I keep coming back to. What's going on in the world is important, and why does that matter? That's the next question. We can help you with that in a short-term engagement. But what now does require follow through come Monday, right? Like you have to actually implement some of these things. You can't just forget about it. It can't just be like warm fuzzy feelings. It's got to translate those emotions that's catalyst or are a catalyst for change into actual change and action. And that's where you often need someone to give you some sort of accountability. Much like if you have a fitness goal for your personal life, you can, in theory, totally just like go onto one of those Instagram adverts that show you how to do like somatic exercises against the wall in your socks or on your bed or whatever. But are you really going to do that unless you have some sort of accountability? And that's why people pay personal trainers to train them. So you've got the sense of accountability and also a sense of coaching and practice, because nobody's a complete expert on the future. But still, we have, through education, through experience, through years and years of doing this, developed a set of practices that can help you to embed these ideas of foresight, of innovation culture within your organization in practical, sensible ways that are not a huge drain on your resources. So we can help you do it more efficiently. Just like a personal trainer can help you get your fitness goals more efficiently, more effectively, we can do the same thing for you. But it's a journey, it's a process, much like fitness in your